So we are going to give you a video every week for the number of the week, just so you can get an idea of what we're doing in school to learn the number, and you can see all the things we do with the children to find out about number. So children, hello, it's maths time. So we are going to be doing number 1 this week. We've learnt about it in school this week, and this is for you to watch at home and show your mummies and daddies and grannies and granddads, aunties and uncles, all the super things that we did with number 1 this week. So let's start off with writing number 1. So do you remember, get your pens and you start at the top and you go down. What number have you written? You've written number 1. 1. Let's do it again. Start at the top and go down. What number have you written? You've written number 1. Now let's have a look where number 1 is on our number line. So this is our number line. So we've got 0, 1. There's 1 on our number line. There we go. So we have watched the number 1 number block in school. If you want to watch that at home and talk it through with an adult, I'm sure they'd love to learn what you know about the number 1 number block. But I've drawn it here for you. Here is the number 1 number block. There he is. 1. That's the number 1 number block. And what number have I written here? That's right, I've written number 1. And underneath here, I've written number 1, I've written 1 in words. That says 1. So this is our number 1 number block. Now I thought I would just show you what other things we've got for number 1. So the first thing we've got is 1 cube. Look, I've got 1 cube here, all on their own, 1 cube. I've also got this. This is called Numicon. And this is the number 1 piece for the Numicon. So I've got 1 cube, I've got 1 piece on the Numicon. I've also got 1 penny. I've got 1 penny. So these are all 1 things. I wonder if you can at home find 1 of something. Go and find 1 of something and I'll show you what I've got 1 of. I've got 1 pen. I've got 1 ruler. I've got 1 weighing scales. I've just got 1 of everything. I wonder if you have found 1 of everything. Okay, what I'd like you to do for some home learning is see if you can draw the number 1 number block and see if you can write number 1. Remember, start at the top and go straight down. I'd love it if you could bring in your number block drawing and your number 1s. And perhaps you could take photographs of 1 thing of everything that you have found. Or you could draw on here 1 thing. You could perhaps draw 1 flower. Or 1 mummy. Or 1 daddy. I don't know, 1 dog. You'll be able to think of lots of things that you can draw 1 of. Remember, we only need 1 of them. Okay, enjoy your learning and we'll do another maths video next week. Bye.